everybody! So today we're going to practice the past continuous tense and the past simple tense. So we often use the past continuous tense to express a long action or an action that takes a lot of time. For example, sleeping or eating, and we use the past simple to express a short action that will be in the middle of the long action or interrupts the long action. So here we have an example. I was watching TV when Jim knocked the door. So we see that the long action, or the one that takes the most amount of time, is watching TV. So we use the past continuous tense, I was watching TV. And then we have the short action that interrupts the watching TV. So knocked is in the past simple tense because it's the short action that interrupted the watching TV. So we just have it in past simple, knocked. There's many different ways we could say the same sentence using when and while. You'll see the word when followed by the short action, so the word that is in past simple. And you'll see the word while when you're seeing the long action, and you'll use past continuous tense. So the version we just looked at, I was watching TV, you'll see the word when and then the past simple. Jim knocked, past simple, the door. We can also put when at the beginning of the sentence, but it has to be followed by the short action. So we could say, when Jim knocked the door, I was watching the long action, the past continuous, TV. We can also use the word while instead of when in the sentence. So for example, we have Jim knock the door while I was watching TV. So remember, while is followed by the long action of was watching, past continuous, TV. We can also put while at the beginning of the sentence. We can say, while I was watching TV. So again, while is followed by the long action, the past continuous tense. While I was watching TV, Jim knocked the door. Okay, so now we're going to practice with some sentences. We have two pictures for two different actions, and we need to decide which one is the long action using the past continuous tense, and which one is the short action interrupting the long action using the past simple tense. So here we have a girl skiing, and here we have to break a leg. So we can decide which of these is the long action, and we can use this clue to help us decide. We see the word when, and we know when is followed by the past simple. So here will be the past simple of to break, which means this will be the long action, the past continuous. So the past continuous of to ski is was skiing. And here we'll use the past simple. The past simple of to break is broke. So our sentence is, Jill was skiing when she broke her leg. We have our long action in past continuous tense and a short action interrupting in past simple tense. So here we have two new actions. We have sleeping and we have asking a question. So to decide which one is the long action and which is the short action, we can use the word when. Just like the number one, when is followed by the short action or the past simple tense. So here we're going to use the past continuous tense of to sleep. So here we're going to have our long action. Bill was sleeping when his teacher, and here we're going to put the past simple of asked, which is asked. So now our sentence says, Bill was sleeping when his teacher asked a question. For number 3, we see a mailman delivering mail and a dog trying to attack him. So we can use this word here as our clue. While is followed by the long action or the past continuous. So the past continuous of to deliver was delivering. And here would be our past simple. So the past simple of to attack is attacked. So we have, while the mailman was delivering some letters, a dog attacked him. Next, we see a lady driving and a policeman stopping her. So we need to decide what's the long action and what is the short action interrupting the long action. He is interrupting her driving. We also see the word when, and when is followed by the short action interrupting the long action. So our short action is going to be in past simple. So we know this is going to say stopped. And here we need to put our past continuous. So it'll say Mrs. Carton was driving, the long action. So now our sentence says Mrs. Carton was driving over the speed limit when a police stopped her. Alright, and here is our last one. We see a girl is watching TV and the fire alarm is going to go off. So we have a key word here, a clue, the word while. While is going to be followed by the long action or the past continuous tense. So the past continuous of to watch is was watching. And then we're going to use the past simple for to go off. To go is an irregular verb, so it's went off. So the fire alarm is interrupting the long action. So our sentence says, while Sue was watching TV, the fire alarm went off. So now you can practice what you've learned in your English books. On page 85, you'll find exercise number 2 that says complete the sentences with the past simple or past continuous form of the verb in brackets. So remember to look for words like while or when to help you decide which form of the verb to use. So number 1, you see while you, and you know while is followed by the long action or the past continuous. So it should be while you were sleeping, and then the next part of the sentence is going to be the short action that interrupts the long action. So you're going to use the past simple. I cleaned the kitchen. So number 1 should say, while you were sleeping, I cleaned the kitchen. So try numbers 2 through 6 on page 85 and see if you can practice what you just learned today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye!